My trading bags are separate, and those are the ones where I'm trying to hit those doubles to get those 10 trades towards that $1 million. What is up, guys? North Digital Assets coming at you with another video. I am back on my channel. This is my first video back. I was on holiday. I was in Atlanta, then I was in Florida, then I was in Nashville, so I was kind of all over the place. It was a long holiday, and not a whole lot has happened in the market since I've been gone. So at the end of the day, how much was there really to say? A lot of these channels at this point in time, a lot of these major influencers are kind of just saying the same thing over and over and over again. And I want to avoid that on this channel, so we're going to try to do that. But we're going to remain positive, and we're going to take a look at everything here. What I will say here on my Twitter page, North Digital Assets, follow me on Twitter. If we come down here, my post on December 21st, so like 14, 15 days ago or so, I said 46, 49, 46, 49, 46, 49, ranging, holding strong for continuation. And to be honest, in the last couple weeks, 2.5 weeks, that's the same story. Nothing else has happened, and this was weeks prior to that. So 46,000, 49,000, back and forth. So not a lot has happened. But let's take a look here at the Bitcoin chart. Again, Elliott wave theory. I have my 5 waves here. I do believe, so Credible Crypto, the way I was reading what Credible Crypto has, he has his 4 on the larger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the larger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Credible Crypto had his 4 over here. That doesn't make as much sense to me because this 1 went above this 3, so that's not where I'm going with. I'm going with the 4 is here, and this is wave 1, wave 2, and let's zoom in here now and take a look. And wave 3, in the smaller waves or the larger waves, wave 3 is the largest and most impulsive wave to the upside, so that would be next. But here's the thing, the 2 is here. Is the 2 come all the way out to here? Does the 2 go down to here? Where does the 2 go? That's the way I'm seeing it right now, and then we'll get that wave 3 hopefully. So let's get to a cleaner Bitcoin chart here. So what has, let's erase the drawings. What has Bitcoin been doing? So on the daily here, it's been finding support right there. That's pretty obvious there. The stock RSI here is pretty low. Everything really is just finding support to come back to the upside. It's been stale. The market hasn't done a whole lot of anything, but there's not a lot to say on the daily right now. We just need to remain patient, and we're going to zoom out. Reset. So, finding support just like we did all through the summer here before continuation up. We're finding support in that exact same spot all through here on the 55 EMA on the weekly. So, still looking good for continuation. And like I've said before, you have a low, a higher low, and a higher low, and you haven't even lost this higher low or these wicks, this lower low or these wicks yet. So you're still looking for continuation. You have a high and a higher high. So we're just waiting on that. We're waiting to find the support here on the 55 and where we're at to get that upside. The point of this channel, what we are looking to do, this is one of my goals and hopefully your goal too, is to make $1 million at least this year. Now, if the market is very stale, that's going to be very hard to do. If Bitcoin's not moving and the market's just super stale like it has been the last month. But when the market starts to heat up again, that is when we can see some gains. Now, something that Kevin Cage talks about a lot is the concept that if you take $1,000 and you double it 10 times, it is $1 million. So you double it 10 times. So all you need to do is, and it's easier said than done, but all you need to do is make 10 trades in a row where you double your money on that trade. So if, for example, it's Algorand and you bought it at $1 and it goes to $2 and you sell, that's a double trade right there. I have my holding bags and I have my trading bags, and they are separate. But with my trading bags, that is what I do. I get into a coin. When it doubles, I sell that coin and get out, depending on the charts and many other factors. But overall, that's the concept. You have $1,000. You double it. Double it again. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You double $1,000 10 times and you have $1 million. Now, the thing is this happens all the time in crypto. There are cryptocurrencies that double in price all the time, whether it's from 10 cents to 20 cents, or you're buying a coin that's $100 a piece and it goes to $200 a piece. When you are doing this with your trading bags and you are trying to get 10 doubles and you stay patient, it can definitely be done, especially if you're looking at if you just look at 2 to 3 years, that's even more zoomed out than right now or this year, like I said. But if you zoom out and you're patient, in 2 or 3 years, it can definitely be done. Shut off your emotions. Don't emotionally trade and get into good projects when they're on discounts, when they're low. That is what you want to do. So keep that concept in mind moving forward. Also, another concept that I want to remind everyone of is the concept of rotating profits, and that is what we're going to be doing later. For example, let me point out one more thing before I leave this chart. On the Bitcoin Weekly, this is a good sign here. On the Stock RSI, bottomed out here, well below the blue band, sort of like here before that run, but it may have to bottom out a little bit longer here. Also, I heard BitBoy Crypto saying that he thinks we're going to go sideways for a while longer now. And to be honest, that might be a bullish sign that the opposite is going to happen, because he actually is wrong on a lot of his calls. And when the masses think that something's going to happen, then the opposite happens. So, but for example, let me show you something about on rotating profits. Let me do a quick reminder on that. For example, Curve here. Curve's been looking real good lately. Let's go to the daily. So Curve, for example, if you got into Curve on some of my previous calls around $3 or $4 with this coin, and you got it somewhere down in here even, or back in here, or all through here. When Curve doubles, say you got it for $4 and it doubles to $8, that is one double. You need 10 doubles to turn 1,000 into $1 million without getting burnt badly on one of those trades. Now, Curve, I think, is going to go much, much higher than 8. Right now, I believe it's in a technical target to about $8.50 if it can hold support. It's in a technical target to $8.50. I'll probably sell a good chunk of Curve around $8, $8.50, and then I believe it'll retrace back down a little bit and I can re-enter my position if I want. But anyways, this is just one coin where I will double. But the other thing is that later, say Curve runs to $20, $30, $40, even $50 a piece, it does a 9x. And if Curve does that earlier in the bull run, when the bull run actually gets going, if Curve does that, you can sell all your Curve near the top. No, it is not going to keep going up forever. It will always come back down, especially when the bears come back. But you sell at the top there, whether it's 20, 30, 40, 50. There's a number of factors, and we will continue covering this coin and other coins. You sell that coin, and you rotate it into a coin that is way further back on the Fibonacci levels. And I have covered that in other videos before. For example, if I pull out the fib here, I set it here and I set it here. If Curve runs all the way up to $30 to the 272 way up here, and you sell all your Curve, you can take those profits and put it into a coin that is still down here in its fib levels. And we will continue to cover rotating profits and doing double trades in our trading bags, because don't forget, like I said, I have holding bags and I have trading bags. My trading bags are separate, and those are the ones where I'm trying to hit those doubles to get those 10 trades towards that $1 million. So there's not a whole lot else to cover on this video. I'm going to cover one other thing, and then that will be it. We are still bullish. I'm remaining bullish, and it's just going to take a lot more patience. Zoom out and understand, like, at least we're in cryptocurrency. At least we have these coins. We have this knowledge. We're in place. It is very early. It is a new technology. It's growing, it's building, and right now is just a downtime. But that uptime can come sometimes when least expected. That uptime can come, and the bulls will return. We also have Bitcoin balance on exchanges here on Glassnode. The balance on exchanges is falling since December 28th here for the last 7 days or so. The balance on exchanges is starting to fall again and continuing that trend that we've been following for the last 6 months. As you can see, this peak all the way up here on July 27th, it continues to fall, and it still is a very nice picture. And don't forget, I pay for this Glassnode chart here or whatever. That's enough to subscribe right there. If we go to the all here, it paints a nice picture here of this cross over right here where the supply and demand, the balance on exchanges is falling while the price is still up here. So one last thing that I want to cover. Crypto funds attracted $9.3 billion in inflows in 2021 as institutional adoption grew. This is on Cointelegraph. Crypto investment managers had $62.5 billion in assets under management at the end of 2021, with Bitcoin products attracting sizable investments. So, institutional money coming in 2021. Institutional cryptocurrency funds attracted record inflows, like I just said, as demand grows. Let's see here. According to the latest CoinShares data, which was released on Tuesday, Bitcoin funds attracted $6.3 billion worth of capital last year, while Ether products saw inflows totaling nearly $1.4 billion. A total of 37 investment products launched in 2021, compared with 24 that hit the market the year before. So that is a sizable increase there from 24 to 37. And we're also looking for 2022 to be the largest year for crypto ever. Maybe not in price action, in percentage gains and ROI gains, but I believe they will still be pretty damn good in 2022 and institutional. But as far as institutional money and institutional investing and allocation, 2022 will and should be the biggest year ever for that. Grayscale remains the single largest crypto asset manager with $43.5 billion in assets under management as of Monday. Other multi-billion-dollar asset managers included 3iQ, 21 Shares, ETC Group, Purpose, and Pro Shares. Anyways, that is going to be it for this video, because now I'm going to cover Curve next. In my next video, I'm going to cover it separately. Right now, it's just patience, patience, patience with Bitcoin and Ethereum, waiting for some momentum, waiting for a catalyst, news, something to come out, something. We're kind of just waiting right now. And a lot of these channels out there are just becoming an echo chamber, and they keep kind of twisting things, and they have new goalposts and all that. I don't really want to be like every other channel, so I'm going to try to give it to you the best I can. If you missed me at all, put a 1 down below in the comment section if you actually made it this far in the video. Click subscribe. If you can see my logo down here in the bottom right hand corner, click my logo, click subscribe, leave a comment below, smash up the like button like you've never smashed up the like button before. That's going to be it for this video. We will catch you in the next one. See ya.